Hi there! In this video, we're going to be checking out the Smart Tower Fan by ZAFRO, which they were kind enough to send out to me. Now, recording the unboxing was a little unusual because this is honestly one of the longest boxes I've ever opened. But either way, it comes securely packaged. Here is everything that comes included. Let's go over it all in detail, starting with the documentation. First up is this quick guide. This is really all you need to read if you're too lazy to dive into the full manual. Next, we have a support card and the comprehensive manual. This goes over absolutely everything in detail, from setup and operation to cleaning and maintenance. I highly recommend giving it a read, because this isn't just a regular fan. It is absolutely packed with features. Okay, moving on. Here is the remote. The buttons have a really nice clicky feel to them. It requires two AAA batteries, and thank goodness they actually included them in the box. You love to see it. Before we can actually use the fan, we need to set up the base. It comes in two halves that snap together just like this. Give it a firm press, you'll hear a click, and you're good to go. Completely toolless. No screws required. Once the base is assembled, we need to attach it to the fan. Just make sure you route the power cable straight down through the center of the base. To lock it onto the fan, simply line it up, give it a quick twist, and you'll hear it click into place. After it's locked in, make sure to neatly tuck the power cable into the groove so the base doesn't accidentally crush the cord when you stand the fan upright. Now we're ready to plug it in. Taking a look at the power cable, it actually features a user replaceable fuse right on the plug, so you've got a built-in high voltage protection right there. On top of the fan, we have 6 touch capacitive buttons. First, the power button, which obviously turns the fan on and off. Next is the fan speed button, and boy oh boy, just when I thought this fan was powerful at speed 6, it just kept going. It features 12 different speed levels, which is wild. I'm seriously impressed. There's also a light button which lets you turn the LED display on and off. The M button is your mode selector to cycle through the different fan profiles: normal, auto, natural, and sleep mode. The timer button allows you to set an automatic shutoff timer for up to 12 hours. Then we have the oscillation button. This model features up to 4 different angle adjustments. At first, I actually thought this controlled the rotation speed, but it actually changes the physical angle of the oscillation, going all the way up to 120 degrees. So far, this fan has been incredibly impressive. One quick thing I forgot to show earlier, but discovered later: if you press the oscillation and timer buttons together, the display will actually show you the current room temperature. Here's a quick shot of what that looks like. Plus, the included remote makes adjusting all of these settings incredibly easy, whether you're relaxing in bed or across the room. I wish I could properly show you guys just how strong the breeze from this fan is, but unfortunately, air is invisible. So, you'll just have to take my word for it. On top of that, it's surprisingly quiet. Now, let's talk maintenance. To clean the fan, you just remove this single screw, slide the back wheel upward, and you can wash it directly. You can also easily brush off the main roller inside. Most tower fans are a complete nightmare to clean, but definitely not this one. Okay, now let's check out the mobile app. Holding down the oscillation button activates the Wi-Fi paired mode. From there, just follow the step-by-step instructions in the ZAFRO app to get it connected. Once it's paired, you can control the fan from literally anywhere. Honestly, most of us have our phones in bed with us anyway, so this is way better than trying to hunt down a physical fan remote in the dark. I should mention that the app does require you to create an account. However, setting this up allows you to link the fan to Alexa or Google Assistant, meaning you can control everything using just your voice. Overall, this fan is great. It's powerful, feature packed, and incredibly easy to maintain, and runs super quiet. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.